what makes an Amazon PPC campaign effective? This is one of the most basic questions that most people are not asking because they consider that they know the answer. So what makes an Amazon PPC campaign effective? Zoom out for clarity. Why did you create the campaign? If there is a structure, specific structure for your account, if there's a specific strategy for your account, the campaign that you created must fall within that structure and strategy of the account. Example, when it comes down to ranking campaign, and just for context, ranking campaigns are the ones usually that we are using when we want to rank for specific keywords on Amazon's search engine, and ideally ones that is highly relevant and people are purchasing our product with that specific keyword, then we're going to rank organically on the first page of Amazon. So ranking campaigns, for example, we are using this as strategy, but we're not going to always start with these campaigns. Simple reason for that, in some accounts might not make sense. So if you have 10 SKUs versus if you have 1 SKU, for the 10 SKUs, you might be having, okay, let's create first a discovery campaign where I want to see, first off, which are the variations that perform well, or which is the variation that performs best, and then you can start that variation and then you can advertise it for specific ranking campaigns. If you have the one product and if you know that is a product that you want to sell, in that case, what makes a campaign effective is making sure that all the keywords that you're using are they highly relevant for that product, and making sure that you're also going to start exact matches and see what is the relevance on whenever you are going to run these exact match campaigns for whatever Amazon is going to rank your product for, So that's why I'm saying that sometimes a PPC campaign, to make it effective, it really, or not sometimes, that most of the time, in order to make a PPC campaign effective, it's going to highly depend on what is the strategy, why did you create the campaign? And if there's no strategy, and if you just created a campaign to see how it works, that's still a strategy. That is the, winging it strategy, how I like to call it. And then that's also going to be the outcome. I'm not saying that you cannot be successful if you don't have a strategy in place. I'm saying that it's going to be very hard for you to, once that's already picked up, the campaign picked up and it works, and then it doesn't work anymore, for you to figure out what happened.